tools to help create content for your business online. Whether that be in affiliate marketing or any one of the many online business models out there, one of the tools that I use is an oldie but goodie. It's called EditPad Classic. Now, I typically use EditPad right after I've created my content, and then I come up with a title and a description. Now, I was chatting, or actually reading an article by one of my coaches, and she was talking about sure signs that AI has created your content. Now, I use AI most regularly, using my desktop Copilot here, and I had a conversation the other day because I use OneNote, and I'm wondering if some of the users that I have that don't have a Microsoft account can do so, and here are the instructions to do so. Now, a lot of times when you're asking for content from AI, the AI constantly throws in what are called M dashes, and that's a sure giveaway that your content has been created by AI. Now, if I copy that and open up a new tab here in the EditPad Classic editor, paste that in, and we can see we have this M dash here. And I don't like the M dashes myself either, but I use dashes quite frequently to break up what I'm talking about or what I'm writing about. So in the editor here, I can copy that. I can use the key combination Control F to find, and that will bring up this item here, and that's what an M dash looks like in an editor. And I want to replace that with a space, a hyphen or a dash, and a space. Now, if there were numerous occurrences in here, it could do them all at once, and that's what I'll do. I'll just replace all, and it just replaced one of them, and now it's been replaced with a space dash space. That's one of the cool features of this EditPad Classic. And another item that was brought up about sure signs that AI has created your content is when it capitalizes every single word. I call that title case, and so does EditPad Classic. So I can very easily, in places where title case should be, you can leave it there, or this utility will convert it all to lowercase, and then maybe it can just capitalize that first word there, but it's a title, so I want to make that title case, and there you go. But then the beef really is when you see title case in your description, and that really should not be. So I convert that to lowercase, and then appropriately wherever needed, I replace with the capitals. And I can no, I'm not going to find all the I's and replace with caps. That'll be a bad thing. Just go through here. Yeah, that's about it. That's how I'd like to see it. So if you have any interest in using this really useful utility, it is one of the free items that I give away when people sign up to get my weekday emails. And that's where I'm talking about my life in semi-retirement. And when I say semi-retirement, that's exactly what it is. I will be working to make extra money both offline and online, and I talk about all that in my weekday emails. So if you have interest in that, just go to my profile, and there'll be a link there, leads you to the first free video. Once I see that free video, then it's a manual process for me, and I'll go in and send out a manual email to you